Introducing the PIC Double Pro from Nuwave. To turn on the Nuwave PIC Double Pro, first, plug the PIC into a power source and turn on the main power switch at the back of the PIC. Tap the power button to turn the device on and tap the same button to turn it off. To begin induction heating, tap the Start/Pause button and the unit will start running, indicated by the flashing colons. If at any point while cooking you would like to temporarily stop induction heating without changing your cook settings, tap the Start/Pause button again. The device comes with 5 temperature presets. The Low button sets the temperature to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium low at 175 degrees. Medium at 275 degrees. Medium high at 375 degrees, and sear at 575 degrees. To change your cook temperature, tap a preset and then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the temperature in 5-degree increments. You can press and hold the plus or minus buttons for a faster adjustment. LED lights will simultaneously display on 2 presets if the temperature is in between them. You can select a cook temperature up to as high as 575 degrees Fahrenheit, down to as low as 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Tap the time button to set the timer, and use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the digits of the timer. Tap the time button to toggle between the minute and hour digits of the timer. When the number stops flashing, the timer is set. The maximum time the unit can cook for is 99 hours and 59 minutes. The device works exclusively with induction-ready cookware, so you'll want to be sure you have a compatible piece of cookware to place on the surface of the unit. The unit can automatically detect if there is a compatible piece of cookware on the surface. If you try to start the device without a compatible piece of cookware on top, the unit will not run and instead display a pot error. If a piece of cookware is placed back on the surface within 60 seconds from the error, the unit will automatically resume induction heating to the selected settings. You can also adjust temperature and time by using the Numerical touchpad. To set the temperature, press Temp, then enter the desired number. To set the time, press Time, then enter a 4-digit value. The device includes a stage cooking function for up to 3 stages. Select your temperature and time for stage 1. Press the Stage button and stage 1 will display on the screen. Press the Stage button again and stage 2 will display on the screen. Select your temperature and time for stage 2. Press the Stage button again and stage 3 will display on the screen. Select your temperature and time for stage 3. Any stage with a timer set to 0 hours and 0 minutes will automatically be skipped. Tap the Start/Pause button and the unit will start running via stage 1 first and then automatically switch to the next stage. After the final stage, the device will shut off. The device allows you to create up to 50 custom presets. To make your own preset, adjust the temperature, time, or stages as needed. Press Preset and use the plus or minus buttons to select a preset number. Press and hold Preset until Save appears. To use a preset, press Preset. Preset 1 will show on the display. Use the plus or minus buttons to select the desired preset number. Press Start to begin cooking. Wattage control offers versatile benefits tailored to different settings. Tap the desired wattage number to select the setting. You can select 900 watts for campers, RVs, boats, and dorms, 1,500 watts for smaller kitchens and apartments, or 1,800 watts for maximum power and efficient cooking. The Nuwave PIC Double Pro comes with 2 burners, so you can cook on both burners and customize the time and temperature for each. The dynamic watt system will distribute power to each top, tailored by the setting. If one burner finished cooking, the wattage will automatically be sent to the burner that is still cooking. To toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius on the display, press and hold the temp button until 2 beeps are heard. In Celsius, the plus and minus buttons will adjust the temperature in 1-degree increments. To lock the keypad, press and hold the lock until 2 beeps are heard and lock is shown on the display. All buttons on the control panel will be locked, except for the power button. To unlock the keypad, press and hold the lock or tap power off and on.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.